joggers. They are made from a nice knit fabric. You can use 100% cotton with a bit of lycra or without. And then for the top and the little bands on the legs, I've used an interlock. Interlock is absolutely super for this. It holds the form and the shape. And if you don't want to use an elastic in the top, you can do that too, but please bear in mind that you need to cut off 4 centimeters of your waistband length so that it's not too long. I have made these with a really ingenious pocket, which you can see here. It's fantastic. It's super easy, but it doesn't look easy, right? You can do this pocket, or you can do it without the pocket. Both is possible, and I'm going to show you exactly how that works. For the fabrics, you can use sweatshirt fabrics, you can use any knit fabric really. You don't have to have an awful lot of stretch in it. 25% is more than enough. And all you need is your sellotape, your scissor, and then you're good to go. So let's have a look at the pattern in a little bit more detail.